Welcome back to MVP Auto, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking moment in Corvette history, the 2025 Chevy Corvette ZR1. This isn't just a Corvette, it's a game-changing hybrid supercar that pushes the boundaries of performance, design, and innovation. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. Named after Zora Astounding, the father of the Corvette, the ZR1 is Chevy's ultimate tribute to his vision. Its aggressive yet elegant design screams performance. From the aerodynamic front splitter to the massive rear diffuser, every line and curve is built for speed and precision. And let's not forget those exclusive ZR1 badges, which add a touch of prestige. But what's under the hood? That's where the ZR1 really makes its mark. This beast combines Chevy's legendary 5.5-liter twin-turbo V8 engine with an advanced electric motor. Together, they deliver a jaw-dropping 1,000 horsepower and 975 pound-feet of torque. Yes, you heard that right, 1,000 horsepower. With its all-wheel drive system and hybrid technology, the ZR1 achieves mind-bending acceleration, going from 0 to 60 in just 2.5 seconds. And thanks to the electric assist, it's not just about raw power, it's about precision and control, making it one of the most capable Corvettes ever. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cockpit that blends luxury and technology seamlessly. The ZR1 features premium leather, carbon fiber trim, and advanced ergonomics that keep you connected to the road. The driver-focused digital display provides real-time performance data, while the upgraded infotainment system keeps you entertained during those long drives. The ZR1 isn't just about straight-line speed. Its advanced aerodynamics, adaptive suspension, and precision-tuned chassis make it a track monster. Whether you're carving corners or blasting down the straights, the ZR1 delivers an unparalleled driving experience. And here's the twist, the ZR1 is Chevy's first hybrid Corvette, proving that performance and sustainability can go hand in hand. While it's built for thrills, it also offers improved fuel efficiency, making it a smarter choice for the modern driver. The 2025 Chevy Corvette ZR1 is a testament to Chevy's relentless pursuit of excellence. It's a bold step into the future while honoring its iconic past. If you're a Corvette fan, or just someone who loves groundbreaking innovation, this car is a dream come true. Thanks for watching MVP Auto. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more deep dives into the hottest cars of 2025. Let us know in the comments, what do you think of the ZR1? Could this be the ultimate Corvette? See you next time.